All right, guys, should you buy a Kubota 1850? I love this little tractor. I've got some acreage here, and this thing is so easy to maintain. It's lasted forever. Obviously, it's fallen apart. It's taken a heck of a beating, but you know what? It keeps on ticking, okay? I've had this thing through chicken farms and letting people borrow it here and there for a couple years. It works great. It's a workhorse, guys. And I've got a couple implements. Right now I've just got a strapped up to a tow hook. If I need to tow anything around, logs, branches, things like that. But it works wonders. I have a tiller on it, guys, and it's good for gardening. My garden loves it. It's good to break up the soil. I've got a blade, so in the snow, when it's snowing, I don't even need chains on this, guys. It's four-wheel drive, and it goes through the snow in the Pacific Northwest. I've been through like 2-3 feet of snow with this little machine, and guys, it runs flawlessly. Like, it's awesome. And I think because it's got one of these, you can put a front loader on it too. Okay, now I've never there's the hydraulic stuff. I've never used it for a front loader, but you know, that'd be kind of neat. But it is a small tractor, but it is powerful. Definitely good on slopes, but you always want to be careful no matter what. Always be careful. I've got the traction tires on it. I love these tires, okay? So that's what I would recommend. I've got a lot of steep slopes here on the farm, so I would give it a recommendation of a thumbs up. Over here is the dust cleaner, the filter, okay? Tap that out, blow through that, clean it up good, use an air blower. Over here is the this pulls all the way up. It's a lint. It's like a lint remover. You know how the dryers have a lint remover? That's kind of the same thing, but it's more for like debris, okay? Super easy to service. Highly recommend it. Again, I've had this since 2008. I've never even had to change the spark plugs on it, to be honest. The mower deck still works really good. It's all on its original belts, to be honest. I probably should replace the belts. Once I get this thing all fixed up, I'll do some more maintenance on it. But this thing's pretty unstoppable, guys. It's got the differential lock as well on this. Make sure you check the fluid down here as well, okay? Use a nice thick axle fluid for that. You can just Google and search what kind of fluid these things use. I usually use 10W, let's see, on this one, I think it's 1540 for the engine, okay? That's probably what I'm using. 1540 thick oil for this, and it works really good. It runs on diesel, and it starts up. You know, it starts up every single time. You know, it's a great tractor. But anyways, give it a thumbs up. Just wanted you guys to know what I use it for, which is to plow snow, use my tiller, haul big things around, pull things out of the ditch if I need to, which I've done. But yeah, I'd love to get like a little bit, maybe I'd even bump it up a notch and get something with a little backhoe. That would be kind of cool too. So anyways, over and out.